After watching this cottonmouth for a good while, I see that there is something wrong with it because he's not reacting like a normal snake should be, scared and running away. There's something wrong with it. It doesn't have any visible damage, like it wasn't hit by a car or anything. But it's just real slow to react. And I don't know, could be old age. Could be old age. I wish I could help it, but I think that it's just old and probably about to die. And all the hawks around here, and there's bald eagles over here too. Yeah, something will get it. That's the circle of life, I guess. It sucks though. That is a gorgeous cottonmouth.